What's up, E-Crew? Welcome back to the channel. We're here in Hollywood, Ferndale Trail area by Griffith Observatory, and we're going to be doing a Hollywood sign e-bike ride. Crystal and I are here. We're meeting up in a meetup group ride 9 a.m. And I think the folks are right here already. Yeah, so there's a meetup here. The great part is someone's leading the ride because I don't particularly know the route to go to Hollywood. Hello. Yeah, we're just waiting for more folks. So far, we're the only one that's a bafang middrive. Let's get a good look of our steed today. So we're using a giant Anthem M29er with a Luna Cycle Luna Wolf battery, 52 volts. But that's our ride today. Crystal's using her BBS02 truck fuel frame. Looks like there's going to be a total of 6 of us. Yeah, let's get this party started. Thank you to Dean. He's going to be leading the ride for today. And the way he advertised it is the only way to get to the Hollywood sign. And that's what got me to RSVP. Alright, let's start our excursion. Kind of feels like we're on a tour, so that's cool. Maurice?
Maurice, what's your name?
Julian.
Julian.
Yeah. Hello there. Joe. Julian. Kind of, yeah. Maurice, Joe, Dean leading the pack, and I'm not sure one more guy over there. Alright, Dean is keeping it casual here, only at 8 miles per hour. I'm taking the trail end. Alright, Dean, where are we going? We're still on the kind of a city riding here. And it is cold. It was supposed to be a warm day. Alright, Nichols Canyon. Made a right onto Nichols Canyon towards the hill. I'm just making mental notes here so that I can kind of redo this ride sometime. But I would definitely do it around sunset time because I'm not a morning person. It was sunny where we were, and all of a sudden it's friggin' cold. Definitely underestimated this morning's weather. About 2 miles later, we made a right on Wilson Woodrow, and now we're approaching Mulholland Drive. Right on Mulholland Drive. That was Woodrow Wilson earlier. So right and a right. Really nice modern mix homes and fancy cars. Living in LA, I'm surprised I've never really been here. So that's why I really wanted to explore here. Today's adventure. For sure, it's a nice ride so far. Not too busy. Alright, we're zipping by Mulholland Drive here. Downtown LA is right over there, but not sure you could see it. It's pretty cloudy today. It's a nice overlook here and there. Hollywood sign on your 12 o'clock. That's where we're trying to reach. Alright. Some bridge crossing. This is the 101 freeway, if I'm not mistaken, right below us. Okay, up on Wonderview. Pretty steep climb. Steeper than earlier. Man, two of the riders are a little bit on the slow end. I think their motors are not strong enough. I'm gonna stagger because they might not see where we're going. Just want to be able to guide them. Yeah. Yeah, you got it. So this is still Wonderview Drive. Trying to safeguard everyone. All right. You got it. We're descending down to Lake Hollywood. We've been in Lake Hollywood before. It's a nice scenic area. It's like a short 3-mile ride, if I'm not mistaken. I think we did Lake Hollywood when I had the Walmart bike, the cheap Walmart bike, which was only 250 watt motor. Here we go. This is a 3.5 mile loop, Hollywood Reservoir. The way I went this DIY route is because if I get bored of this bike, I could just put it in a different bike. Yeah.
So you installed it yourself?
Yeah, it's fairly easy, just, YouTube video. It's a nice picture there. All right, Hollywood sign, brake stop. Okay, here we go. Onwards to Hollywood sign. Let's get it. All right, that was Ledgewood Drive and Mulholland. And we're going up north. Towards the sign. So I thought Dean has done this plenty of times, but he just said that he's only seen it on YouTube. All right. Here we go. More off-roading. And this is the infamous gate with some stairs. A couple of stairs that we have to get to. Well, it helps to have a light bike. If you need help, I'll be back, okay?
Oh my God, did you do another Chick-fil-A?
No, they were just starting.
Thank you.
They're
Maybe this is the last stretch. I think we're pretty close to the sign. Maybe the morning is the best time to come here because I could see this place is really busy in the afternoon. Alright, so apparently we're going to be on the back end of the Hollywood sign. And just like that, we're already right above the Hollywood sign, where we're going to be braking. Yeah, never been up here. But there it is. I guess there's some views up there too. Let's see what kind of views we can get up here. Still kind of overcast. Griffith Observatory over there.
A few moments later.
Alright, we spent about 30 minutes here. Now we're rolling down. Looks like there's a tour guide there. A tour guide that's threatening everyone that LAPD will find you if you ever go off the beaten path and going towards the Hollywood sign. That guy kept mentioning LAPD will find you. It's coming through. Let's let it ride. Nice and smooth. Alright, we're going downhill on Rock Cliff Drive instead. So if you're planning on doing something like this, be prepared to, walk your bike up and down like 4 steps of stairs. Alright, going downhill on Beechwood Drive now. I believe I've been here before. I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm pretty sure it's just gonna be street riding for the most part. That's gonna be it for today's adventure, folks. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for additional discounts on a Super73 arielrider or a DIY bafang kit. This is Julian signing out. See you guys at the next ride. Peace.